Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your CoinStats account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your CoinStats account, firstly open your CoinStats application. The home page of CoinStats application will appear on the screen. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on your account's email. Your profile will appear on the next page. Tap on Sign Out option. Confirm signing out of your CoinStats account by tapping on Sign Out once again. This is how you can log out of your CoinStats account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.